Hello, this is Chris with HoverDroids, and this is the third part in a series about breaking apart the portfolio when using the AccessPress Staple Pro Theme for WordPress. So last time we talked about adding a portfolios to custom post type using the CPT UI plugin, and that allows you to use a custom post type no matter what theme you're on. Today I'm going to show you how to add that custom post type to a theme so that when you move that theme around or sell it, the custom post type goes with the theme. The example is the FAQ, the portfolio testimonial theme that AccessPress has put into the staple theme. We're going to be modifying some of the theme's files in this one, so I highly recommend you look at my video on the Updraft plugin for backing up and restoring. It's also available on YouTube. I've already gone ahead and backed my stuff up. So let's get started with showing you how to add the custom post type. Okay, so I use Bluehost, and so if you go over to Bluehost and you sign in, you select cPanel, come down to File Manager under File Management, and you'll see this folder structure. Under WP-Content, Themes, AccessPress Staple Pro, Inc. Select that folder. You will then see this AccessPress post type. Go ahead and select the AccessPress post type.php and then hit code editor, and you'll get something that looks like this. So this file basically says create all of these custom post types on startup and add them to the left side, and it essentially does the exact same thing that the CPT UI does, but it does it in code, and that's how you can bring the custom post type with you whenever you move around your theme. So go down and find portfolio, and at the start of the portfolio section specifically you will find AccessPress Staple Create Portfolio. Start highlighting there. Go down and you'll see Create Portfolio Category. That'll be that taxonomy we created before with the CPT UI. So copy all of that and then paste it right below. Make sure that you get Add Action. Okay, so now we've pasted that. Scroll back up to AccessPress Staple Create Portfolio, the second one of those, the copied version, and start placing a 3 after each one of the portfolios. And it's 3 because in the CPT UI tutorial we showed you with portfolio 2s, and now we're going to go for 3. So under here, portfolios 3, 3, you can say add new 3, add new portfolio 3, and just keep doing that until you have 3s after every portfolio. Now some of these won't matter because they're just text strings that are going to be shown, but do it just because it's more thorough. And actually under menu icon, go ahead and leave that as dash icons dash portfolio, just so you'll use the same icon that the original portfolio did. If you want to change that, you can, but for now I don't have another icon, so I'm just going to leave it. Okay, so now this add action is actually what's going to add it over to the left side of WordPress, and it's going to call the AccessPress Staple Create Portfolio function, but we don't want that. We already added a 3 for our function, so add a 3 after this, and it'll call the function that we just modified. Now go down to Create Portfolio Category and do the same thing as above, where you add 3s after everything. Not there. After category, that's actually going to be creating the taxonomy. In the previous tutorial, you also ended up changing hierarchical to true, and that's so that this uses categories for the hierarchy rather than tags. Okay, now again, add action is going to add this taxonomy to the left side in the portfolio 3 custom post type. So you also need to make sure you create correct or call the correct action to create portfolio 3 category, which actually up here I did mess up, so put the 3 after portfolios. Okay, now if you save that up here in the right hand corner and then go back to WordPress, refresh the screen, you will now see portfolio 3, and it has all portfolio, add new 3 portfolio 3 categories. So go ahead and select all portfolio 3, create a new one since clearly we don't have anything yet. And so now you'll look over at the portfolio 3 categories, and it has none of the categories for portfolio 1 or portfolio 2, and we can add some. Let's say that our third portfolio is going to be websites, so we'll say, website, school website 1. I'll divide them up into now we can see one of the categories is schools. Let's add another one that says businesses. And then we'll say personal. Okay, as before, go ahead and select a featured image. I'm just going to use one that they already sized correctly for all of this, and just set featured image. And this already just selected all of those. It's fine for now, so select publish. I'm going to go over and go to all portfolios. I'm going to add some more websites to this and pause the video so you don't have to watch it. You should go ahead and do the same. Okay, so I've added 5 of these, and if you continue watching the next videos, you'll see how we're going to use portfolio 1, 2, and 3 custom post types on different pages, so you basically get those sliders for different portfolios rather than having everything jumbled all into one. Thanks for watching.